Most people get this wrong when choosing a CRM for a carpet cleaning business. They focus on flashy features and forget the one thing that actually grows revenue, making it easier to book, manage, and retain customers. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM for carpet cleaning isn't necessarily the most expensive one. It's the one that helps you fill your schedule, reduce no-shows, and turn one-time customers into repeat clients. In this video, you'll learn the best CRM options for carpet cleaning businesses in 2026, the features that matter most, and how to choose the right platform based on your business size and goals. Let's get straight to the answer. For most carpet cleaning companies, a field service CRM is usually a better fit than a traditional sales CRM. Why? Because you're managing appointments, technicians, estimates, invoices, and customer communication all at the same time. One of the strongest choices in 2026 is Jobber. It combines scheduling, quoting, invoicing, customer messaging, and online booking into one platform. For many small and medium-sized carpet cleaning businesses, that's exactly what they need. Imagine Alex owns a carpet cleaning company. A customer books online at midnight. The CRM automatically creates the job, confirms the appointment, and sends reminders before the visit. Alex wakes up with a new job already scheduled. But here's the problem. Many owners think getting new customers is the biggest challenge. In reality, keeping existing customers coming back is where the real money is made. This is where most people fail. A customer gets their carpets cleaned once and never hears from the company again. A good CRM solves this by sending automated follow-ups, review requests, and reminders 6 or 12 months later, when cleaning is needed again. Now here's where it gets interesting. As your business grows, scheduling becomes more complex. If you have multiple crews, service areas, and recurring clients, you may need a more advanced platform like Service Edition. It offers deeper reporting, dispatching tools, and business insights for larger operations. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to make your decision. First, make sure any CRM you consider includes online booking, automated reminders, technician scheduling, customer history, and recurring service automation. These 5 features often create the biggest return on investment. Here's a quick example. Jake runs a 2-truck carpet cleaning business. By automating appointment reminders and review requests, he reduces missed appointments and generates more referrals without spending extra money on advertising. That's a small change with a big payoff. So what's the best CRM for carpet cleaning businesses in 2026? For most companies, ease of use, automation, and customer retention tools should be the top priorities. The goal isn't just managing jobs. It's creating a system that consistently generates repeat business. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software guides, and leave a comment sharing which CRM you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.